These 10 ChatGPT BPT prompts can save you hours every single week. Let's start with the first one.
Prompt 1. Write a professional email in a friendly and confident tone. Prompt 2. Summarize this document into 5 simple bullet points with key takeaways. Prompt 3. Plan my day based on priority, deadlines, and available time. Prompt 4. Write a YouTube script with a powerful hook and engaging ending. Prompt for hook and engaging ending. Prompt 5. Generate 10 profitable business ideas based on my skills and budget.
Prompt 6. Explain this topic like I'm a beginner using simple, real-life examples.
Think of it like a post office. Data packets are sorted and sent to their final destination.
Prompt 7. Create engaging social media posts for every major platform.
Prompt 8. Summarize this meeting and list the action items. Save these prompts and start using ChatGPT smarter today. Follow Buzzverse TV for more powerful AI tips every week.